Student, today we are going to learn what is forging and what is the difference between smithy and forging. The forging is a process of heating the metal to plastic state in a closed furnace and shaping it in die under the pressure of heavy hammer. Forging is a manufacturing process involving the shaping of a metal through hammering, pressing or rolling against the anvil or die. Forging is divided according to the temperature at which it is performed. It is divided cold forging, warm forging or hot forging. Forging involving the shaping of metal using localized compressive force. Now, forging is done with power-driven presses or hammer. Okay. Now, what is the difference between smithy and forging? Smithy is related to production of small jobs which are heated in open fire or open hearths, that means open furnace, and are deformed by manual labor to give it required shape and size. In smithy, it is done under hand control using tool like anvil, hammer, tongue, etc. In smithy, metal is heated, hammer and shaped by a blacksmith. Blacksmith means metal worker. But forging is related to production of comparatively big jobs which are heated in closed furnace and are deformed generally by power-driven presses or hammer to give it required shape and size. So, smithy used for small job, forging used for comparatively bigger job. Smithy metal is heated in open furnace. Forging metal is heated in closed furnace. In smithy, manual labor are used. In forging, power-driven pressure or hammer is used. Ring, chisel, etc. are made by smithing. Smithing means smithy, but crankshaft of an automobile engine, connecting rod of a steam engine are made by forging. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.